So I went to my local tire store, Lantera Hispania, picked up a spare tire, a brand new one for $100. It's a hand-cooked Dynapro. And I'm going to show you in this video how to use a spare tire, the anchor, the stock one that comes underneath the Land Cruiser. So here's my original tire. It's a Yokohama Geolander. So basically it was a 2-inch difference when I upgraded my tires. I went from 32s to 34s, as you can see from the screen. And I'm just going to show you guys if it fits or not. We'll find out. But yeah, I'm going to show you how the procedure, how to remove the chain, how to lower it. You basically just stick in that the tool that comes with the spare tire right there in that hole. And then we're going to see if it fits. Let's find out. Make things faster, I already removed the original tire that was underneath the vehicle. But see right here, I didn't connect it all the way. So if you're putting the tool in, make sure you push it in all the way, so then it grabs onto that piece. Fits in that hole. You just shove it in all the way, and then you turn it left, so counterclockwise to make it go down, and then clockwise to go up. So I'm out here trying to anchor that onto here, and then I'm gonna raise it up. So right here, you guys, I'm trying to line up the anchor at the very bottom with the wheel. It's important you do that. Make sure it's secure, because you don't want your wheel falling off. You know, if you're driving or hit a bump, you gotta make sure it's secure. So once you secure that, you just raise it up. I'll go show you that in a bit. You gotta make sure you hook it on there, so you gotta secure. So right here, to raise it, you turn it to clockwise. To raise it up, turn it to the right. And the thing I had to do was I had to check the fitment, because it was a full-sized mud terrain tire, and you know, it's 34-inch tire. The stock one was like 32, so there's barely any clearance. So that's what I was having issues with. So here it looks fine, but the wheel itself was actually centered more to the left than I wanted it to be, and it was touching my sway bar, and I didn't like the positioning of it, so I ended up trying to push it more upwards, but it wasn't really working, and I didn't like the way it was positioned. It was positioned way too far to the left, so I ended up removing it. And then I figured another way to put it. So I don't know if it's better or not, but that's the way I positioned it. It just seemed like it was hanging way too low, and I didn't like the positioning of it. Urmy.
5 hours later.
So after wrestling with my feet and kicking it around, I finally got it in a position that I liked, which was this position right here. I felt like it was as center as I could get it to. And yeah, the ARB bumper, which I have, it's aftermarket bumper, so the tire was touching it right there, and it was also touching my sway bar. So I felt like this was the best angle I could get it at. So if I off-road, the departure angle wouldn't be too bad, because it's kind of at a 45-degree angle. So that's what I went with. But I guess it's all the way up pretty much. I guess that's kind of alright. So the dude at the tire shop aired up the tires at 40 psi, which is good. I usually run that pressure on the street. But the thing is, I was having fitment issues, as you guys can see. So I kind of lessened the air to around 32 psi approximately. I just aired it down a little bit, just so it wouldn't be super tight. There'd be a little bit of leeway as it's touching my sway bar, and my brake lines are kind of near the sway bar too, so I didn't really want it to, you know, be hitting on that too hard if I hit a bump or something. So I just took the air out a little bit, and then yeah, should be good to go from there. It's okay, huh?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, bueno. Okay. Here you have it, my Cruiser 34s do fit underneath the 80 series Toyota Land Cruiser, and yeah, that's how you use the tool for the spare tire as well. And if you liked this video, don't forget to like and comment, share, subscribe, and we'll be back for more. Alright, theAZcruiser out.